Hello, I am Professor Kakri Aryam from ARSU Technical Campus, MBA Department. So, subject name is Service Marketing and chapter 2 Traditional Marketing Mix Elements in Service. So, today I will discuss your point Service Recovery. So, what is meant by service recovery? To reduce the effect of service failure on business interest of service companies. Service recovery concept come into force. The emergency of service companies lead to increased customer expectation and thus increased service failure. Okay, due to this, the concept of service recovery has gained importance. Service recovery has been preceded of a satisfactory solution to the problem of service failure. Most important point is the service recovery. Service recovery to be the service provided response in case of service failure. Doing the service right the second time is known as service recovery. Some of the service recovery methods are refund, compensation, and apology of excuse. That is meant by service recovery. Service recovery like showroom, then automobile center, mobile customer care include this the point in that service recovery. That is most important point, guarantee and warranty. So guideline for effective service recovery. A service provider can consider the following aspect of for effective service recovery. So first one, measure the cost. What is meant by measure the cost? The opposite to chasing new customer, the cost of losing and the benefit of keeping existing customer should be evaluated. Next one, encourage complaints. What is meant by encourage complaints? Complaints from customer which can be found in customer survey. Monitoring the service delivery processing ensure proper customer satisfaction during the service encounters. So satisfaction most important. Encourage complaints and satisfy the customer. So next one, anticipation. What is meant by anticipation? Service are made of critical incident where the customer and the service provider interact. The service provider should be anticipate where the failure might occur in the service delivery process of the attempt to minimize the same. So next, quick response. That is most important point. Whenever a service failure occurs, the company should be respond quickly and the only the recover effort will be to the successful. Okay. So next, employee training. Employee training means training should be given to employees to handle the customer needs and effectively. That is meant by employee training. Next, empowerment. What is meant by empowerment? Instead, the waiting for manager approval, the service personnel have authority to attend to the customer complaints. Next one is close the loop. What is meant by close the loop? Provided feedback to the customer about these complaints and assure him that such failures will not occur in the future. That is meant by close the loop. That is the most important point, guidelines for effective service recovery. So next point is service recovery process. That is important point, exam related. Okay. So service recovery process. What is meant by service recovery process? There are 5 logical steps in the service recovery process. So first one, acknowledgement their feeling. What is meant by acknowledging their feeling? That is, anticipating means understanding customer expectation at key points along the experience. Okay. If there is a clear idea about what a customer expects at each junction, one can anticipate and prepare for them. Dissatisfaction result when we fail to the understand and manage the expectation. To the key success being able to anticipate the customer needs at each step of the stream in the ensure that process are the place that will be met and extend their expectation, that is acknowledging their feeling. So next one, apologizing and owning the responsibility. The moment we come to know that expectations are not met, service recovery being, it is the ritual that the acknowledgement, problem and the customer feelings. At the particular point, perception is start weak, reality and is not the time to encourage and explain your position, but to accept responsibility and responsible person. So, next one, offering alternative. What is meant by offering alternative? An apology, as simple as it may be seem, is an important step in the moving the situation away from the negative and into the positive. Action focus area, and apology is not a admission of guilt. That is offering alternative. Next one, making amends. What is meant by making amends? Offering alternative whenever possible is a method for helping dissatisfied customer regaining a sense of control. Rather than telling customer what they cannot, have a focus option for what a possible put them back into the driver's of seat. That is making amends. Next one, anticipating customer needs. What is meant by anticipating customer needs? Making amends, correct the mistake being made. Simple thing like sending a follow-up letter, making a sincere apology of small token or appropriation is all it takes satisfy the customer. So that is service recovery process step by step in related and dependent in these 5 steps. Okay. So next one, impact of service failure, product failure, service recovery. So that is, there has been substantial research in traditional service on the effect on service failure and recovery on the customer loyalty. So including the service failure have a negative effect on the loyalty and have been found to be a driving factor in a customer switching. So second one, in the event of a service failure, customer expect effective recoveries and their satisfaction with the recovery increase customer loyalty. Okay. So including the recovery has been the proposed where customer of experience service failure followed by the superior recovery habits, behavior, intention toward the service provided, which are more favorable than they would be had a failure occurrence. So, including the a situation of very level of satisfaction of customer who recovered good excellent recoveries are the actually higher than those of customer who have experienced and the problem leading to expectation service recovery. Efforts can do proceed a service recovery. On the other hand, it is the clear that a response or no response to a service failure complaint will be result in a magnification of negative evaluation, also referred to the double deviation. So presentation of notice called as the service recovery. This idea is a good service recovery strategy that enable a firm build goodwill. Then, if the service failure had never occurred in essential, researchers approved service recovery, but this did not have uniform accept and the service research found unreliable of the then concept. Service recovery as a condition when effective service recovery result has the greater than post recovery satisfaction than that period of the service failure. Alternative opportunity of the encourage customer retention to the service provided as it may be result greater customer satisfaction than in the cost of failure free service is offered by the service recovery situation. So, including the product failure exit when the competition outcome of markets into inefficient from the point of view of society as a whole. This is usually because of the benefit that a free market confers the individual of business caring about the particular activity driver from the benefits of society as a whole. So, important point, service traditional marketing mix elements in service, that is most important point is service recovery, then guidelines for effective service recovery and service recovery process, that is IMP question, and impact of the service failure versus product of the failure, that is short note question. So thank you so much.